Hey guys, what's popping? Today I just stopped by to do a quick unboxing of my 360 swing away heat press machine. I did already went ahead off camera to do the necessary connection of the control box and the little minor connections that needed to be done. I went ahead and do those off camera. Don't mind my background, that's my craft box. It's everything crafty in there. Today our focus is on this box, and I ordered this off Amazon. I ordered the Vevor 12 by 10, and when it came it was a 12 by 9. So Vevor cheated me, and it should have also come with a spanner and a screwdriver. It only came with the screwdriver. So without further rambling, guys, I'm going to flip this camera and get into the box and show you what's up. Then I'm gonna pause the video and fit it up on the counter and take it from there. Alright guys, so this is the box, and yeah, it got a little wear and tear during, I don't know if it's custom handling or what, but it gets a little wear and tear. However, nothing is wrong with the machine. And if you all are wondering why am I talking so low, Caden is asleep. I'm trying to run through this video without having to wake him. So as I said before, I went in the box prior and did the fitting on of the control and so on and so forth. So that's the machine in the box. I'm going to pause this video because I'm holding the camera with one hand and I'm working with this hand. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and take the machine from out of the box and set it where it needs to be, and then I come right back. Okay guys, so the machine is here and it's all plugged up. So I'm going to switch the power button on. I'm going to lift it up, and just a second guys. Alright guys, so I'm back. The little man is in my hand, he just woke up. So it's the Vevor 12 by 9. They put up some false advertisement on Amazon. On Amazon it says it's a 12 by 10, but the 12 inch here is correct, but along the width it's 9. So the paper I'll be using to do the test print for today is the photo paper direct dark transfer, which is right here, and I swear by this. I already have my design printed and cut. This is what my design looks like. So I'm going to change the time. Oh, not necessarily. Let me see if it's going to. Yeah, I need to change the time guys, so hold on. Fahrenheit, yes, and then time. So we are going up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 seconds. However, because my press is Teflon coated, I'm going to put it for 15 seconds. This doesn't just run up like others and the continuous press is annoying. Hey Papa. Set, and then I'm gonna come down to 15 set. So it's counting up. When it reaches the 375, it's going to make a continuous clacking sound, and trust me, this heats up pretty quickly. So while it's getting to that, and yes, don't mind my background, the white foam thing you see right there, it came on top of the heat press, and that's a pack of 6 white Gildan tees. I purchased a pack of 12. So that's it. So while this bad boy is heating up, I'm gonna try to take some moisture out of my shirt and get ready to print. Why do you have to wake up now? Say hi. Say hi, guys. Look. My baby, you're giving them a nice smile. So 275 and counting. Guys, this is very easy to maneuver. Very easy. It shows you the functionalities. You're helping me? The parts. Obviously, see, this was supposed to come with one spanner to do the screws down here. I had to use a bird beak plier to tighten the screws for the suction grip, and I did get the one piece of screwdriver. Let me show y'all. It's a pretty tiny black Phillips screwdriver. So my package was short of one piece of tool and 1 inch of an heat press. So it's showing you the objects that you can press, the initial temperature, the highest temperature, and the proper heating time. And let me continue. Replacing baking tray mat and all of that good stuff. Same thing here. It's just repeating stuff. It's showing you the printing method, troubleshooting for transfer quality. I'm hot. And the caution. So hey Dada, are you going to trouble? I don't want you to trouble anything, right? Hold on to this one, mommy. Hold that one. So guys, the machine is at 353. I'd rather swing to this side because the power cord is there. So I'm just going to scoot this up under here. I don't want you anywhere near the tripod, Kaden. Kaden, can you behave yourself for me, please? Ow! You really did that? Really? Alright, it's at 375. You're gonna hear that continuous clacking sound. So now I'm going to take away my 3 or 2. Alright. Click, click, clack, clack, click, clack, 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 clack. To make it easier for me to find the middle on my shirt, this is what I'm gonna do. Just gonna do this here. put this down here and give it another quick press to find the middle of my shirt. All right, be careful. Not so far. Okie doke. So you have to come somewhere down here. Perfect. So here's the design. I created this in Cricut Design Space and cut it out via hand because my vinyl cutter, none of them has arrived as yet, but very soon I should have my Cricut Explore Air 2 as well as my Cricut Joy with me here. So I'm carefully because I don't want to rip anything, removing these piece by piece, and then I'm gonna place them. Let me see if it would hold everything. Sort of. I should have already peeled this part back, you know. Wasn't thinking that far and fast. Papa, your lint rolling? Your lint rolling? Can I borrow that? Can I borrow that? Can I borrow this? I'll give it back, I promise. Yes, I am going to give it back. Here. Go. Thank you. Go. This child of mine. Boy, oh boy. Hey, what's wrong? What's wrong? Why are you crying? Guys, give me a few to get this untangled and sorted out. Alright guys, so I'm back. I went and reprint the word crafting, and as y'all can see, the ink ran out on me, so I kind of have a bit of a retro look going on in the word crafting, but I don't mind that because I'll be the one wearing the shirt. And I was just showing you that the light blue around the rest of the word should have been in black, but because the black ink ran out, it printed in color. So we are going to go ahead and press this design on the shirt at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. So yeah, we are cooking the image in place, and after the first 15 seconds run out, we're going to then flip the shirt over. So here I'm going in now, guys, to swing away the press and peek a bit. Peekaboo, I see you. So we're going to lift the shirt off the plate and flip it over. So we're going to put the image facing down and the back of the material up, and then we're going to press again for an additional 15 seconds. I should have done probably 5 or 6 seconds, but I want to ensure that the edges blend seamlessly with the material. So here we're going to cook backside up again for another 15 seconds. And so far, guys, even though Vevor have cheated me out of 1 inch of a width, and it really makes a difference, because that's the reason why I have to flip the shirt on the heat press to get the image onto the shirt at once. Alright, so here we're going to turn the shirt back over and have it cool down somewhat before I go ahead and peel away the silicone sheet. Even though my heat press have a Teflon coated on the platen of the press, I still go ahead and add the silicone sheet that comes with the PPD dark transfer over the actual image before I go ahead and press. And that is another reason why I press for 15 seconds instead of 13 seconds as required, because there's a silicone paper attached to the heat press. And as you can see, I'm trying to cool this shirt down real quick so that I can get through wrapping up this video. I legit had was to do a voice over for this section of the video because my kid was sitting in the sitting hall and he was watching Cocomelon on his tablet, and I am not about to be copyright for anything at all. I tried doing the voice effect with the chipmunk, but it was still coming through, so I just had to do a voice over. And I know y'all are saying, how she clamped the press down and it turned off. The press is turned off because I'm through with it, but it's pretty much still cooking, so I just clamp it down for a couple additional seconds. Sorry about that, guys. I had knocked the tripod, and as you can see, I have a little shifting going on there. So I'm back, and this is my birthday shirt that I printed 2 days before my birthday. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna switch out of my birthday shirt and into the shirt I just made. So here we are. Bam! Transformer. Crafting is indeed my therapy. Crafting relaxes a girl. Yes, come through, honey. So guys, if you have made it this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Great out. Turn on your post notification bell. Yeah man, right over there. So yeah, on your right hand side, which is my left, great out the red button there was a subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. Thumbs up the video, share out the content, tell me what y'all want to see next down in the comment section. Catch y'all later, guys.